projects to do, write my proposals. So the Undergraduate Student Leadership Award. So this student was nominated by faculty, staff, and his peers here at the Jacobs School. This award is the most prestigious honor that can be bestowed on a graduating senior. The Undergraduate Student Leadership Award is given to an exceptional leader who has made a major contribution in support of the Jacobs School community and vision. Only one student out of hundreds of graduating engineers received this award. The award goes to Philip P.J. Loury. Philip has shown superior commitment to his academics as well as the student life here at the Jacobs School. Philip is a Jacobs School Scholar, the most prestigious scholarship offered here at the Jacobs School. He has maintained an outstanding GPA while attaining his degree in bioengineering. PJ has been a leader within the engineering community by starting the UCSD chapter of Engineering World Health. He has led multiple design teams that work on designing medical equipment to help improve human health in the developing world. PJ has also been very active within the Warren College community, serving for 2 years on the Warren College Student Council, and helped the college win the Spirit Night competition in 2011. PJ was awarded the Bernard Gordon Engineering Leadership Fellowship, one of the highest honors an undergraduate can receive for engineering leadership and service within the Jacobs School. PJ leads us to attend the UC Berkeley, UC San Francisco Masters of Translational Medicine program, and will be pursuing a career in medical technology entrepreneurship. Congratulations, PJ.
Well, before I begin, I just want to say thank you very much to Dr. Tu for this award. It is such an honor to receive it. The Jacobs School of Engineering is an institution where students come to receive one of the best engineering educations in the nation, taught by world-renowned faculty. Here at UCSD, our engineering students perform research in state-of-the-art facilities, struggle through problem sets till the wee hours of the morning, and from time to time, get downright nerdy. And that's what I'm here to talk about today, being a nerd. When I first set foot on this campus, I was worried about being surrounded by a legion of nerds. And my expectations weren't too far off. Living on honors floor freshman year was one of the most sobering experiences of my life. Going through the lower division engineering prerequisites, I struggled to see the point of all the hard work, what the end goal would be. It wasn't until my third year here that my inner nerd began to blossom. With the beginning of my upper division coursework, I began to see the light. I began learning about medical devices and the complex ways in which the human body works. Slowly but surely, I became more and more curious to learn more, and to learn by doing. And this is when it all started. In conjunction with my work in Engineering World Health, I bought myself an Arduino microcontroller and began collecting electrical switches, sensors, and doodads, anything I could find to pimp out my apartment and international house. I began teaching myself Android, experimenting with Bluetooth, and even bought myself a Raspberry Pi miniature computer. I had uncovered my passion for tinkering, and it reaffirmed my decision to become an engineer. I tell you this story not to make excuses for why my room is perpetually littered with gizmos and gadgets, but to tell you that being a nerd is really not all that bad. We, the graduates of the Jacobs School of Engineering, have contributed to research that will lead to life-sustaining medicines, pushed code to some of the most visited websites in the world, and built a concrete canoe or two. We are a legion of nerds. Being a nerd is not about having pasty skin or being socially awkward. Being a nerd is about being so passionate about something that you can't get enough of it. This might be a concept that you have grappled with over the past 4 years or so, but it's time to come clean. The fact of the matter is, the United States is in need of a whole lot more nerdy engineers in order to stay competitive with the rest of the world as technology continues to advance more and more rapidly. No matter what field you plan on going into, it is important to stay technologically fluent. Engineers are builders. We are the inventors of tomorrow, and if you want to help shape our future, you better nerd up real fast. Engineers are the gatekeepers of technology. We are willing to delve into the nitty-gritty, willing to tackle the system of equations where our social sciences friends dare not tread. Together, we carry a labor of love in building our creations for the benefit of our fellow man. Starting tomorrow morning, we will be taking with us a wealth of knowledge, friendships, and experiences from this campus and onwards in our lives. With the end of college comes down the last wall between each of us and our life's ambitions. For the first time in our lives, we will now have complete say in what we want to do and who we want to be. The one thing that every one of us here today has in common is that our time here on Earth is finite. We may not know how much time we have left exactly, but how we choose to spend this time is what provides the meaning and gusto in our lives. And so I challenge you all to be daring and be bold in your pursuit of finding your nerdiest passions. Dare to pursue what you love, and don't let anyone make you settle for anything less. I stand before you today, admittedly, a full-fledged nerd, and I have no regrets. Yes, the road has been rough, but in this ceremony today, we are harvesting the fruits of our labors. To my engineering friends and my bioengineering family, you are some of the greatest people I've ever met. My 4 years here at UCSD would not have been the same without you all, and I will miss the times we've spent together. Thanks for all the memories. To my professors, you've made these past 4 years more sleep-deprived than they otherwise might have been. Thank you. As a result, I've never felt closer to calling myself an engineer. To the Jacobs School of Engineering Administration, thank you all for the work you do to keep things running behind the scenes smoothly. It cannot be stressed enough that your dedication is a large part of why our School of Engineering is one of the best in the nation. And to my parents and family, thank you so much for being here today. I would not be up here if it weren't for you all, and I love you all very much. So as we spend our time here together this evening on one of the most beautiful oceanside campuses in the world, I ask that you each savor each moment in this landmark day in all of our lives. Hold close to the friendships, memories, and knowledge you've gained while here at UCSD. Take a look back to see all that you've accomplished, and take a look forward towards building a better tomorrow. So graduates of the Jacobs School of Engineering, I ask that each and every one of you today commit with your ring to embrace your inner nerd. Dare to take things apart and learn how they work. Spend an all-nighter or two working on something you love. And buy a pocket protector. You might end up finding it useful. So graduates, we've earned it, we deserve it, so let's enjoy it. Thank you all, have a good rest of your evening, and go Tritons.